this is the busiest South Asian restaurant in America.
This is like the biggest spot I've ever seen in my life.
Serving more than 4,000 people every day. It takes a team of 9 chefs and more than 200 employees to prep, cook, and dish out the massive Pakistani and Indian menu here at Aga's in Houston.
It's not a restaurant, it's a food factory. The amount of food we put out every day, it's absolutely mind-boggling.
It also has the most Uber Eats delivery orders for a single location restaurant in the entire world.
More than 1,000 orders of lollipop, single lollipop.
But when Shaukat Marathia's family bought Aga's in 2010, the restaurant was struggling, and they had no idea how to turn it around.
I told my brother one time that, hey, we need to get rid of this restaurant. It's not our cup of tea.
But now they have long lines, and food vloggers are all over this place.
Aga's is a gas.
Look at the solid 9.4.
One of the things that stand out for me is the consistency. I feel like it's my first and 100th time at the same time.
As a Pakistani, I was curious about how America's busiest Desi or South Asian restaurant ended up in a suburb in Texas. And how this one family turned a struggling spot into a national destination. The smell of spices hits you as soon as you walk into the kitchen at Aga's. Here, cooks are hard at work starting at 7 in the morning.
We have 4 chefs from Pakistan, 3 from India, 1 from Bangladesh. Combined experience probably over 200 years.
First, the sauce for popular dishes like paneer handi, karahi chicken, and chicken tikka masala are cooked in big batches.
This is a grinder. We grind the gravy to a fine paste.
No matter what's cooking, each pot starts with the same 2 essentials found in nearly all South Asian cooking.
Onions and tomatoes. Most of the gravies are based off onions and tomatoes.
Purchasing alone is a massive challenge in a restaurant this big.
We do 5,000 pounds of jalapenos per day. 7,000 gallon milk per month. 30,000 pound of butter a month. 10,000 gallon of oil per month.
Every few minutes, chefs stir and check the sauces, like for this goat shinwari karahi.
ये सिर्फ कुक होती रहती है पूरा दिन क्या?
पूरा दिन होती रही। अभी ये कुक होगी, ये 4-5 घंटे में ये निकल जानी है। ये दिन में से 2-3 बार हम बनाते हैं। Depends on how we are busy.
That's Rizwan, who's from Gujarat in India. He started as a line cook at Aga's before working his way up to kitchen manager.
Aga's is my first job. When I came here in 2019, from the very second day, I got an opportunity to join Aga's, and I just grabbed that opportunity.
Once the curries reach the right consistency, they're left to cool down. When an order comes in, cooks scoop the sauce into these pans, add the meat, and prepare the rest of the dish.
यहाँ से मसाले वगैरह उसमें add on होते हैं. We used to cook it properly, and then after उसको हम pass करते हैं.
So every dish is customized after and even these.
कोई ऐसा नहीं होता है कि चीज़ें ready है, ready to serve. ऐसा नहीं है. हर एक order बनते हैं according to पर्ची. वो यहाँ पे बनते हैं.
The menu reflects a shared South Asian heritage. But some dishes lean more Indian.
This is our palak paneer.
While others are more popular in Pakistan.
Chicken boti, malai kebab.
Pakistan, for breakfast, gotta have a meat. Lunch, you gotta have a meat. Dinner, you gotta have a meat. And when you wake up middle of the night, you gotta have meat.
So at Aga's, meat is a serious business.
ये भी हमारा एक hottest and busiest station here in Aga's. क्योंकि ये वो स्टेशन है जहाँ पे you can say world famous shop हमारी ready होती है. And ये वो बंदे हैं जो इस चीज़ को बनाते हैं. They are like full of spices, tender. Just you'll feel like heaven.
Aga's also goes through 30,000 pounds of chicken a month.
आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर 4 बंदे लगे हुए हैं जिनका काम है सिर्फ टिक्के की सफाई करना.
ये काम क्या पूरे दिन होता है?
पूरा दिन में जी.
Most of the spices come straight from the motherlands, India and Pakistan. And the chefs are pretty secretive about the different blends because it's what makes their recipes special.
पीसते भी खुद है?
पीसते भी खुद है. साबुत मसाले आते हैं, उसका फिर हम पीसते हैं कि क्या चीज़ किस मकदार में हमें ज़रूरत है.
Wow, that's a lot of
Yes.
chili spice. That's amazing.
One of their most used spices is chili powder.
Comes
From India.
From India.
Yeah.
It comes from India.
They go through more than 40 pounds a day. And one of their most expensive ones is saffron, also from India.
Probably 5 ounce will cost you over $60, $70. Buy the best ingredients available in the market. Don't worry about what the cost is. It's important to our customers, important to my chefs.
Back in the kitchen, the team is gearing up for the Friday lunch rush. They're about to turn out nearly 100 South Asian dishes. But there's a twist. Like with so many restaurant kitchens in America, a lot of the people cooking the food are Latino.
Gracias, bye. Mucho gracias.
I kind of love that this moment just happened. Basically, he just said, thank you, brother, in 2 different languages, in Spanish, gracias, bhai, in Urdu. And it kind of like captures the teamwork between the 2 cultures here, the Latino workers and the South Asian front of house as well.
For Shaukat, owning a restaurant has come with a big learning curve that continues until today.
At the time when we bought this restaurant, only thing I knew how to make is maybe a cup of tea. Nobody knows anything in my family how to cook.
Shaukat's family is from India and Pakistan. He moved to the US when he was 20 years old and picked up work wherever he could.
I had 3, 4 jobs, going from dry cleaners and working for auto dealership.
Then in 2010, his family approached him with an idea to buy a struggling restaurant.
One of my brothers, Kareem, and one of my cousins came to me and said, hey, this restaurant is for sale, let's buy it. Very funny that week before this conversation, I had a really bad experience here. I laughed at him. I said, are you guys crazy?
They paid less for the whole restaurant than what it now makes in a single weekend.
When we originally acquired, this was the space. This one all the way back was 6,000 square foot roughly. And then as we got busier, we needed more space.
The first couple of years were not exactly a success.
It was tough. It was stressful. Every month, we were losing money. For a good 2 years, everything was wrong. There was no system in place. There was no accountability.
Somebody's saying hi to
talk
us.
to these people.
So we'll go talk to them.
Now, so many Desis come here, I actually ran into people I knew back in Pakistan.
Which one?
Oh, hi. Hi. Malisa Coach. I actually know them.
Oh, we came to.
Hi, good. I wondered when I would run into Parsis here.
How are you doing?
When we were kids.
I know, I remember. We used to go to school.
School in the same like van and all of that stuff. So that's really funny. So good to see you too, yaar.
So what led to Aga's rise?
When we bought it, it used to be Aga's Pakistani restaurant. We changed that to Indo-Pak restaurant. That was a big deal because now people recognize, okay, this is Indian and Pakistani restaurant. So we started getting a lot more customers.
The owners focused on expanding the menu and improving the quality of the food.
If one dish is off 5%, get rid of it, make a new batch.
Shaukat also went all in on the tech to provide customers with a smoother experience.
I always compare Aga's to Apple, Microsoft, Google. What do they do that makes them successful? It's product, service, and process.
everyone here wears a headset to allow communication between the servers, kitchen staff, and cleaning team. Many of them come to Aga's with no experience at all, like Javed, who studied aviation in his hometown of Karachi, Pakistan.
I used to work in airlines before. During the COVID, I lost my job. I was sitting at home for 2 years doing nothing. So I decided to change my career, and here I am.
One of the biggest expenses at Aga's is how we develop our staff. They go to thorough training to understand our culture, understand the process, understand the cuisine.
Now, Javed is a floor manager. He's popular with customers, and his name is all over reviews.
I never feel tired because keep on engaged with the customers, my team members, my staff, my owner, my managers. It's like a family.
But payroll is their biggest overhead cost. With so much competition out there, the restaurant has to offer its workers more than just a salary.
We have performance bonus for our staff. Our staff is top-notch, so they easily achieve that bonus.
Despite all the upgrades and investments, not everything has changed.
I'm a guilty part of not spending any money on decoration. We definitely need to improve, and thanks for reminding me.
With lunch service in full swing, it was my turn to try the food. I sat down with Ibrahim Halawa, a local food blogger, to hear about how Aga's fits into the Houston dining scene.
So Ibrahim, how many times have you been here?
Well, in the last year, probably 20 plus times, at least.
Why is that? Tell me.
So,
Hi. Thank you so much.
like this consistency, the service that we see,
Yeah.
these are a very high standard to maintain, especially at such a large scale.
Yeah. I am going to click on this menu and see what I want, but what are your favorites? You said you have some favorites here, right?
Yes, so
The restaurant says most dishes are served within 15 minutes. So we put that to the test with a large order.
as an appetizer, I would go for the chicken lollipops.
Okay. I'm also seeing that they have one of my favorite breakfast items from Pakistan, which is halwa puri, which is only served on weekends back in the homeland. So let's do this. Let's order. What is your family's background?
So my background is I am a Palestinian American. I was born and raised here.
True to their word, the food came fast. Our chicken lollipops were on the table in under 5 minutes.
These are phenomenal.
Can't wait. Tell me about your food blog.
Yeah, Halal Houston. So there's a huge halal scene here, and they're always opening up new places.
Today we are at one of my favorite places in Houston.
So we're always going around checking out new places.
So this is all halal, so all the chicken's halal.
Houston has one of the largest Muslim communities in the US. It also has a big immigrant population, especially South Asians. They make up one of the fastest growing demographics across the country with a lot of purchasing power. Their median household income was about $151,000 in 2023. That's changing the Desi food scene. Fine dining spots like Sema in New York City are flourishing. The restaurant is one of 4 Indian spots in the US with a Michelin star. Diners are also showing more interest in global flavors, and that includes Gen Z. But attracting that demographic is a constant challenge for restaurants like Aga's. Research shows Gen Zers don't eat out as much as previous generations.
Wonderful.
They like convenience. They like to pick up food.
Yeah, so
They
a lot
like
more
isolation.
delivery?
They like delivery as well. The things that really interest them, for them to come out, has to be really trendy.
So there's rarely any taking chances then, right?
Right. It needs to be on social media.
Looks like food
More
is here.
Yes. This is the dish I was talking about.
Great. Thank you.
Anything else?
No, thank you so much. This looks amazing.
Thank you.
This is the
Green karai.
We've got like a few different kinds of naans. We've got biryani, which is a classic Pakistani Indian dish. Now, not eaten every day. It's almost reserved for special occasions, but I could eat it every day. Halwa puri, which is your brunch meal.
These are the goat chops, ready for the reveal.
Yes, sir.
So you're gonna have a nice plume of smoke come out. You can smell it. There we go. Wow.
Whoa.
You see the juices are still in
Yeah,
there.
retains the juices. Do you have to pay a premium for a halal meat? Like, is it more expensive?
It is a little more expensive, yes. Generally speaking, yes. And but it's worth it. Even what we've seen in Houston is a lot of non-Muslim, non-halal restaurants become halal because of the demand. I'm pacing myself.
I can't. Because there's always dessert. So at the end of a meal, it's customary to have something called pan. It's almost like a palate cleanser. There's a store that is right outside the restaurant. So here we go. Thank you so much. I will say pan is a super acquired taste, and I have not acquired it, but we'll try it anyway. It's a leaf. It's actually called a betel leaf, and it's stuffed with certain spices. Okay. You're supposed to put it all in your mouth in one go. I can't do that. Some people swallow it, and other people just spit it out after getting sort of the taste in your mouth. Thank you.
Thank you.
There's one for you too, cameraman.
By the time dinner rolls around, the takeout counter is buzzing.
The team is separate. It's handled separately. It's very systematic back there. Our team knows exactly which order is for Uber Eats, DoorDash, our delivery orders, our customer pickup. It's nicely organized.
How many to-go orders do you think you get in a day?
Okay, so abhi baje hai like 3 baje, right? So it's gonna reach like around 2,500.
So it starts with number one.
One, and it reached to 2,500.
Oh my goodness.
Especially on weekends, yes.
Okay.
They're sent off on an overhead track to the front of the house, where staff check the packages one more time before handing them over. Outside, delivery drivers wait around in the parking lot, knowing they will get called up for agas. Some deliver as many as 15 to 20 orders from here every shift.
All my delivery come from here. All my delivery. I pick it up here, drop it, so different places.
How far do some orders?
I don't know, depends, sometimes 15 miles, 20 miles, 25 miles.
Shaukat told us Agas has the highest volume of Uber Eats orders for a single location restaurant in the entire world. Just a few weeks after we visited, they even opened a new location that handles takeout and deliveries only. And it's already getting up to 1,000 orders a day. Meanwhile, catering events such as weddings make up about 15% of the business.
We don't take risk with any events. Wedding happens once a lifetime. That's not the time you take a risk of anything.
By 9 p.m., the time that most desis grab dinner, all 3 rooms are packed.
Busiest day is Saturday. In the dinner time, 750 people sitting at one time, and we have probably 500, 600 people in the queue to dine in.
Aga says about 80% of diners are returning customers.
Garlic naan was really good. Mint lemonade. Mint lemonade.
So I came yesterday and I really loved it. So I asked all my...
So you came again today? I love it.
Shaukat has big plans for the future, some of which are already in the works.
Great work.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Where are you from, India?
Bangalore.
Okay, very nice. Our goal is to have at least 5 takeout locations in Houston, and then we're going to duplicate this into Dallas market, Austin market, Chicago, Atlanta, and then my ultimate goal is being in New York City.